Assalamualaikum viewers, I am Ammara Waheed and welcome to my channel. 5 awesome tips to remove earwax. Looking for tips to remove earwax? Has brought 5 home tips which will make earwax removal easy for you just with common household products. In medical terms, earwax is called cerumen, a material generated inside the ear canal having lubricating and antibacterial properties. Cerumen protects the ears from bacteria, dirt, and other harmful elements naturally within its due time. Earwax moves from eardrum to the ear opening from where we usually remove it. However, sometimes it could not get its way out and accumulates in the ear canal. Moreover, it is pushed deeper inside when we use tissue papers, cotton buds, and similar products on ears. In this video, we are going to know how to remove impacted earwax at home. So watch this video till end. Excessive amount of cerumen in the ears may cause different kinds of infections, skin or bone diseases or some other ear-related problems. If you are looking to clean wax from ears, here are 5 easy home tips to remove it with simple household items. First, baby oil. Baby oil is a common household item. Everyone may find it easily at home and use it to remove her earwax. Baby oil softens the cerumen and helps in removal of wax from ears. Using method. Fill the oil in a dropper. Put a couple of drops of oil into the affected ear. Cover the ear with cotton in order to prevent it from leaking out. Leave it inside for around 5 minutes and then remove the ball and tilt the ear towards the floor to drain the removing oil. Clean the ear with a neat soft piece of the cloth and you are done. If other ear is also full of wax, do the same process on other ear as well. Second, warm water. Like many other use of warm water, one of them is to remove wax from ears. Rinse the ear in question with warm water and it will help extricate the setting wax in the ear. Always use clean filtered water for those purposes. Using a syringe, flowing warm water into the ear and leave it for at least 1 minute. Then drain it by tightening your head accordingly. Earwax must have some out with the water. Clean it with a neat cloth. You can also ask someone to help putting water into the affected ear with the help of a bowl. Third, olive oil. Olive oil is also very useful to remove excessive earwax. It goes into the ear and unstiffens the wax fixed inside and so wax easily comes out. Olive oil also has antiseptic properties which protect ears from different infections. Take some warm olive oil and insert into the ear either with a dropper or ask someone to help. Put 4 to 5 drops and keep it inside for 10 minutes. This will unstiffen the wax inside the ear. Then remove the oil and clean wax with a piece of cloth. Fourth, baking soda works well to remove cerumen wax from ears. Simply, using a mixture of baking soda and water can do the job. Take 1/4 teaspoon baking soda and add it 2 teaspoon water. Use a dropper, insert 4 to 5 drops of baking soda in the ear. Keep it for 10 minutes and then rinse with warm water. Tilt the head accordingly to drain the mixture out and clean the ear with a piece of cloth. Fifth, glycerin. Glycerin has lubricated and moisturizing properties which effectively helps to remove the hardened wax in the ears. Glycerin is easily available at any medical store for just 40 rupees in Pakistan. Using dropper, insert 4 to 5 drops glycerin in the affected ear. Then stick a piece of cotton at the open of the ear for a couple of hours. Then remove the cotton ball and rinse your ears with warm water and then dry the ear with tissue paper or a hair dryer. So here I completed the top 5 methods. They are very easy and yet effective for the purpose. While watching this video, you won't believe how these household items like olive oil, baby oil, baking soda, and glycerin may help you in the removal of wax for ears. Let's subscribe to my channel to know these wonderful tips. Don't forget to share your opinion about videos. If you like my videos, please like and share, and will be remembered in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.
Take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive?